In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Claude on Janitor AI. Start by opening your web browser and heading to your favorite search engine. In the search bar, type Janitor AI and click the official Janitor AI website from the results. Once you're on the site, open a chat with any character. This gets you into the standard chat view where all the settings you need are available. Look toward the top right corner of the chat interface and click the three dots menu. From that drop-down, choose API Settings. If you don't see the menu right away, make sure you've actually opened a chat. The option appears inside the chat view. In the API Settings panel, select Claude as your provider. You'll see a model field. Open the Claude preset and pick the model that fits your needs. As a quick tip, more capable models tend to produce higher quality, more nuanced replies, while lighter models can be faster and more cost-efficient. You can always change this later if you want to adjust speed or quality. Now you'll need a Claude API key to connect Janitor AI to Claude. Open a new browser tab or window and search for the Claude console. Go to the console and sign in to your account. After logging in, look at the left sidebar for the API Keys section and open it. Click Create Key. Give your key a clear name so you'll remember what it's for, and then click Add. Wait a moment while the system generates the key. When it appears, click Copy Key. Treat this key like a password. Don't share it publicly, and avoid pasting it anywhere that could be visible to others. Return to your Janitor AI tab. In the Claude Keys field inside the API settings, paste the key you just copied. Double-check that there aren't any extra spaces before or after the key, as even a small typo can cause connection issues. When you're ready, click Save Settings. If a confirmation prompt appears, click Yes to finalize the connection. That's it! The chat is now set to run on Claude. From here, your messages in that character conversation will use the Claude model you selected. If you ever run into issues, verify that the key is valid, that your selected model is available, and that your account has sufficient access or quota. You can create a new key in the console if you need to rotate or revoke one. And remember, you can revisit the API settings anytime to switch models based on the balance of speed, cost, and quality you want. Enjoy chatting with Claude on Janitor AI.